355 radiators, we've spoken about this before, and it's one of the weak points on 355. So what happens is the air comes through the ducting in the door into this area here, where the radiator, and on one side you've got the oil cooler and stuff like that. So it not only brings the air through, but it brings the water through, and all you can see at the bottom of this there's leaves and debris, so all the bits come through, and then they rust the radiators out. So we've got some out that we can show you. So let's have a look at how bad it really gets. This one's still got all the fans and everything attached, but we've already removed all the fans and bits on, and you can see what's happened is it rots out. So this sits in vertically, and it rots out all this. So all of this literally just rots to pieces. You can see it's got piles of radiator bits here, and if I turn it over and turn it round, you can see in here it's so the vertical tubes are where the water goes. So the idea is the water comes down through the little vertical tubes and gets cooled by the fins going left to right. So that's basically how radiator works. So if you lose the fins, A, you're losing cooling, and B, what you start to do, if you've rotted out the little fins, you're going to start to rot out the tubes next as well. So then you get a coolant leak, and then it's game over. So this is a common problem. Now, these are the original plastic tank radiators. There are aluminium ones out there now, so we tend to fit the alloy ones. It also depends on Ferrari availability. Sometimes there aren't any plastic ones out there, so the alloy ones are sometimes the only fix are available. But just thought we'd share this one. This is the reality of what happens on old cars.